program manager button, and then if you go down to a program, for example that one that says Ollie there, and if you press copy, well, that's copied that program.
Yeah.
Now what you do now is you press paste. When you press paste, it will ask you what you want to call it. It's come up with the same name, which obviously you can't use. So all you do then, if you just backspace, just go right back, you've got to keep the extension .mpf, and then just type copy for now, and then press OK, and now you've got a copy of that program. If you want to delete a program, if you press those two arrows down the bottom there, see the two arrows there, you'll see a button that says delete. Press delete and then press OK. Yep. Another interesting thing there is if you press properties, it will tell you all about the program, but what it's also got there, if you can be bothered to use it, is rights, and you can set the key switch to different levels to access programs. So if you've got someone on here and you don't want them to access certain things, all you do is come down to these and just press select to get the different options. Okay, should be on key switch 0 normally, that means it's full access. And then this is telling you the path, it's telling you when it was created, and it's these sort of right. So always press cancel on these, don't press OK, just in case you did accidentally change anything. And then we've got this preview window which gives us a preview of the program down here. Okay, so we can look at what's in it. Not really that much use, I don't think. Yeah, so from here we can also execute a program, so you can cursor down to the program that you want to use and just press execute. What that means is that that green program is the one that's active at the moment. So if you were to press cycle start, that's the one that would run. We can press a new program, we can open it for editing, and we can use this copy and paste. We've got I don't know what that is, archive, preview window, properties, and then delete. And here we've got our data card.